The Intel dual-band wireless AC 7260 desktop adapter delivers noticeably faster and more stable wireless performance than typical built-in adapters, especially in crowded networks. Its dual-band design and 2x2 antenna configuration provide strong coverage throughout a home or office, with fewer dead zones and more consistent throughput. Integrated Bluetooth support makes it easy to connect wireless peripherals like keyboards, mice, and headsets without needing a separate dongle. The card works very well with modern Intel processors and chipsets, taking advantage of platform features to reduce latency and improve overall responsiveness. Support for wireless display and related Intel technologies adds convenient options for streaming video and mirroring screens without running extra cables. Installation is straightforward for most desktop cases, and once the drivers are in place, the adapter tends to run reliably in the background with minimal maintenance.